Be sure to visit our website at technicallyspeakingtv.com, where you can leave your questions to be answered on a future show. For today, I chose questions dealing with television hookups. Here's our first question now. I just spent over $1,000 on my new widescreen TV, and instead of a big beautiful picture, I have a rather cropped picture with black bars on the side. What's with that? Good question. And I understand your frustration after spending all that money not to get the big picture you dreamed of. There are two reasons why you might be having the black bars on the side. First of all, it has to do with aspect ratio. Most widescreen TVs are displaying a picture in a 16:9 aspect ratio, which means that for every 16 inches wide, it's 9 inches high. Now, many programs, unfortunately, are being broadcast in a 4:3 ratio, 4 inches wide to every 3 inches high. There is a solution for you, however. Most cable and satellite networks have alternate channels. For example, where I live, channels 2, 4, and 7 are also rebroadcast in high def as channel 502, 504, and 507. In fact, in my channel listing, all of the 500s are high-def channels, and high-definition channels are broadcast in that wider screen version that you're going to want to see. The other option, if your channel is not available, is to click on the aspect ratio button on your remote control. There you'll see various options such as zoom, zoom to, changing the aspect ratio to see what you like. Here's another question. I had a problem with my television reception, and when I called the company, they told me to unplug the unit for 5 seconds and then try again. That sounds like a waste of time to me. Should I do it? Absolutely. Unplugging and then replugging your television and components serves two functions. First of all, just turning off your television or components doesn't actually reset the unit. For that, you have to actually take the power plug out of the wall. And not just the power plug out of the wall, but the power plug out of the television or component for a full 5 seconds. I've noticed that probably 75% of the problems I've had with televisions can be solved by unplugging them. The other thing it does, besides resetting the unit, is it also gets rid of any static buildup that you've had. So that goes not just for the power plugs, but all the connections, which is why we want to be sure to label everything. Don't unplug everything at once. You can do this one plug at a time. Unplug the wire, count to 5, plug it back in. Try that before you call the cable company next time. Well, it's been a pleasure having you. Please visit our website so you can leave your questions to answer next time on Technically Speaking.
This overload.